Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm on the 2019 Low Rider today and I'm testing out a different windshield. Whew, man, that's bad. Oh. So as I was saying, I had the 19-inch wind splitter windshield and I was getting quite a bit of helmet buffeting, anything over 70 miles an hour. So what I decided to do is try to return that one and change it out for the 14-inch, and this one seems like it's kind of worse, so this one's definitely going back. So here's a look at the 14-inch wind splitter windshield from Harley-Davidson. This one is the light smoked color, so there's just a little bit of a tint to it. So between the two wind splitter windshields, the 19-inch and this 14-inch one, I think the smaller one looks better. So if you follow the channel, you might have seen the previous video I did on the wind splitter windshield install. And I did not record the install process of this one because it's basically the same thing. So if you're interested in seeing how this windshield is put together and mounted onto the bike, I will link that at the end of this video. So ultimately I ended up sending back the 19-inch windshield. The buffeting was just too bad for me, and what I wanted to do was try the shorter version here and see if it was any different. This one ended up being a little bit worse. Before you ask me, I did try different mounting positions. I tried putting this all the way to the top of the fork tubes and, you know, hoping to leave a little air gap in between here and the visor here to maybe get like sort of a vented windshield solution. That one actually wasn't as bad as the current position with it lower and no airflow through the front. That is even worse. So if I were to keep this, I would mount this in the highest position possible, but even with it at that position, I was still getting a ton of buffeting. It was a little bit different feeling than the buffeting on the tall windshield. That one, it seemed like it was just hitting the top of my helmet. With this windshield, that buffeting was almost like my whole head was being punched around and not just the top of the helmet. So definitely not as comfortable as the taller version. For me, specifically, there's so many different things that can cause buffeting that I'm not going to go into in this video. Suffice it to say, you should do some research before you try it out, and if possible, try to get one from a company where you can do free returns if it doesn't work out, and I'm going to take advantage of that with this windshield as well. So I just picked up the bike from service and I had a turn signal relocation kit put on here. So these stalks that hang off the back here moves the turn signals back so that it opens up this area for bags. Now I probably could have wired this up myself. It's basically just a wire extension that goes in here to oversimplify it, I'm sure. But basically time was an issue because I really wanted to get the bags installed this weekend. That's going to be another video, but I'm hoping to get that started today if all goes well. Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. I wasn't even aware that it kind of curved in like this. Those look kind of neat. You know, I bought the kit online and had it shipped right to the dealer, so all I was going off of was a picture. I had no idea what they look like. So if you're thinking about having this done, that's how it looks on a 2019 Low Rider. In other news, I'm still really digging these Street Slammer handlebars, but I will be doing a future video that goes into more detail about my likes and dislikes of those and kind of a comparison before and after, if you will. It's kind of funny. I've been through 2 windshields and a quarter fairing on this bike so far, and I still haven't found the one that's right for me. Out of the 3 so far, though, I think I like the Harley-Davidson quarter fairing the best. You know, of course, it didn't keep any wind off of my face. It's not designed to, but I think that was the most comfortable ride on the freeway between all the 3 solutions here. So I no longer have that one. I did sell that one to finance the replacement windshield, funny enough. But this windshield is definitely going back. I'm going to take this one off of here right now, actually. I love the quick release on this thing. And that's all there is to it. I love the look of the bars. It looks so cool. Well, that's about it for today. I just wanted to do a quick windshield update and let you know what my thoughts and feelings were about the windshield. For now, I'm going to just be riding it without one. So we will see what happens in future videos. So if you like the video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you guys on the next video.